7th class. The new chapter, that is oceans and fishing. So my dear, already you know that on the earth surface, large area covered with water bodies. Nearly 71% of area covered with water bodies. So that is why we can call that earth is a blue planet. So these 71% of the water body is completely ocean water, ocean and seas. Ocean and seas, this water is not useful for agriculture and not useful for drinking, not useful for industries. So on the globe, on the earth, majority of the area covered with water bodies, that large water bodies we can call as oceans. The large water bodies which are there on the earth's surface, we can call as oceans and seas. But here I am going to explain about ocean relief feature. Ocean relief feature means that, see, on the earth's surface we know that how is the earth relief features, some areas, mountains, plateaus, plains and deserts, valleys. Same like in the, under the ocean, the floor of the ocean also same like at the surface. The floor of the ocean is like a earth. On the earth we have mountains are there, plains are there, plateaus are there, okay, deserts are there, and some places, very deep places, high places. Same like in the ocean water, the floor of the ocean also same like the earth surface. In the ocean water, some places are, some places where big mountains are there, some places are only some earth surface, and some places very deep places. Okay, so this ocean floor is as well as earth surface. So just to see that here, this is completely ocean water. Okay, here I am telling one important example. This is the ocean water. Okay, so here is that landmass. Again, here is that landmass. So from the landmass to the place which is very near to the place, the ocean area, the area which is near to the landmass. So this place we can call that continental shelf. This we can call that continental shelf, because this is a continent, it is ocean. So the place, the region which is very near, so in this area we can call that a continental shelf. Here the depth of this ocean will be less. This place is called the continental shelf. Next, again from continental shelf to the next place, when we go inside the ocean, next place we can call that this is a continental slope. Here depth will be more compared with the continental shelf. Next one is continental slope. And after that, after you will get that one of the big trench, you will get a big trench in this place. You will get trench. So trench is that very deepest place in the ocean, we can call that is the trench. First from the landmass to, first you will get that continental shelf, and next one is continental slope, and next one is there, then you will get that trench. Trench, it is the deepest place in the ocean. In the world, one of the deepest trench is Mariana Trench, it is in the Pacific Ocean. Biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean, already you know. In the Pacific Ocean, one of the deepest trench is that Mariana Trench, it is in the Pacific Ocean. So in the trench, it is very deep place. After that, deep sea plane, very deep sea plane you will get. You can't get how much of depth that is. Very deep plains. So these are the relief feature of ocean floor. The relief features of ocean floor. So once again you have to remember relief features of ocean floor is, first one is continental shelf, okay, second one is continental slope, and third one is trench and deep sea plain. Same like at the surface, ocean floor also not same, it will be different some areas. See, some places very deep, even Mount Everest also it will go shallow very easily in that place. So very deep places in this ocean floor. This is the relief feature of ocean floor. Total 4 relief features of ocean floor. And next, this ocean is completely water body. This water can't be stable always. This water can move. Is the water movement of the ocean. Ocean water movement. Ocean water movement I am going to explain now. See, this water movement again we can classify it into 3 categories. One is waves. Second one is currents. Third one is tides. The movement of water, because in the ocean water will not be stable. The water will move always. This movement of ocean water is divided into 3 types. One is waves, second one is currents, and third one is tides. Let me tell you one by one. One is waves. These waves, gentle waves like gentle winds. These waves, water will move very slowly one place to other place. That is called waves. Regularly, the water, the waves will come in the ocean because of wind, because of gentle winds. Gentle winds on the ocean surface, the water will move. So this is called waves. These are called waves. Next one of currents. Current is nothing but it is one part of the very big stream. Due to very big wind stream, so this water, very large amount of water, one part will move one place to other place. This is called current. Once again, one part of the very big stream, with big streams, these ocean water will move, large amount of ocean water will move one place to other place. That we can call that current. This current again 2 types: warm current, cold current. Warm current, cold current. So these all these water movement, but there is some difference. Waves means simply the water on the surface, water will move very slowly because of the gentle winds. But currents means because of the big storms, the large amount of water it will move one place to other place. That we can call as a current. This current is 2 types: warm current and cold current. Warm current means nothing but it is from the landmass to near the continent, near the landmass to the polar area. Landmass to the polar region, only warm currents will go. And cold currents means from the polar regions to the continental side, these warm currents will come. Say from the continental to that polar area, warm currents will move. Because of here, due to the warm temperature, the earth becomes warm and automatically the air also becomes warm. So here the warm currents will go to the polar area. In the polar area, total cool temperature, from that side when the winds will blow, strong storms will come, at the time we will get the cold currents. So warm currents and cold currents, 2 types of currents. This is the movement of the ocean water. Next one on tides. Tides is nothing but a rising of water and falling down, rising up and down tides, high tides, low tides. Suddenly you see sometimes the tides will come to the sea coastal area and again it will go back. This is called tides. Okay, this is also one type of water movement. So mainly tides, sometimes high tides, sometimes low tides. This is 3 types of water movements on the ocean floor. One is ocean water, waves, currents, tides. 3 types of movement of the ocean water. And ocean floor again, the relief of ocean floor is continental shelf, continental slope, trench, and deep sea plain. This is the about ocean floor and on the ocean water. This is the movement of ocean water. This is the floor of the ocean. Okay. And remaining we will discuss in the next class.